If you are thinking about buying a new streaming box today, stop right now. Seriously, put your wallet away. Massive new leaks just confirmed the new Apple TV 8K is coming in early 2026, and it completely destroys everything else on the market. We are talking about a sub-$100 device that packs an insane A17 Pro chip. The whole industry is about to change. Let us look at the facts. The old 2022 Apple TV 8K used an A15 chip and had 4 GB of memory. It cost $109. The biggest premium rival, the Nvidia Shield TV Pro, uses an old chip from 2015, has 3 GB of RAM and costs nearly $200. On the budget side, the Amazon Fire TV Stick 8K Max is slow, has only 2 GB of RAM, and is full of home screen ads. Now look at the new 2026 Apple TV. It gives you the A17 Pro chip, 8 GB of RAM, a clean ad-free screen, and it starts at just $99. Why would anyone buy an old Android box for $200 when a brand new lightning-fast Apple box costs half the price? It makes no sense. The new 2026 Apple TV 8K is real, and major tech experts confirm it. The trusted website MacRumors says Apple will launch the device in 2026 with a super fast A17 Pro chip and 8 GB of memory to run big video games. The site 9to5Mac explains that this new box will work perfectly with Apple's upcoming smart home cameras and video doorbells. Zero Wireless reports that the box will arrive in the spring of 2026 with the new tvOS update. WhatHiFi points out that this new brain replaces the old A15 chip and might even add new HDMI ports. On Twitter, famous supply chain analyst Ming Chicuo states that the new Apple TV will cost under $100 to beat cheap streaming sticks. Bloomberg journalist Mark Gurman tweeted that Apple is building brand new software designs with a cool glass look. Code developer Aaron found secret Apple code that proves the A17 Pro chip is inside the new box. Finally, software leaker analysts shared that the new system updates will give users total control over how the menace look and feel. Let us talk about the brain inside this tiny box. The 2026 Apple TV uses the A17 Pro chip. This is the exact same super fast brain used in the iPhone 15 Pro. It handles massive tasks without breaking a sweat, and it stays perfectly cool without a loud fan. But the real magic is the memory. Apple doubled the RAM from 4 GB to 8 GB. This is a massive deal. With 8 GB of RAM, apps open instantly. You can switch between a movie, a heavy game, and a smart camera without any loading screens. Why did Apple add so much memory? The answer is Apple Intelligence. This new AI software makes Siri actually smart for the very first time. You can use normal, casual words to ask for movies. Just say, "Find that funny space movie with the alien," and Siri will find it instantly. Plus, all the thinking happens right inside the box, so your voice searches stay completely private. Now, let us clear up some rumors. A lot of people said this box would be 80K. That is just a myth. The human eye cannot even see 80K from the couch, and there are almost no 8K movies anyway. Instead, Apple focused on making 8K look absolutely perfect. The new box uses a special video tech called AV1 decoding. This shrinks streaming video files without making dark scenes blocky or fast action blurry. It makes normal 8K look flawless. There are also rumors of a 128Hz refresh rate for super smooth scrolling and sports. But my favorite upgrade is the internet connection. The new Apple TV gets a custom N1 chip that brings Wi-Fi 7 to your living room. Old Wi-Fi is like a single-lane road that gets jammed easily. Wi-Fi 7 is a massive superhighway. Even if everyone in your house is downloading huge files, your movie will never buffer or lag. The spinning wheel of death is finally gone. Here is where things get crazy. This new box is basically a gaming console killer. For years, streaming boxes only played silly mobile games. Real gamers did not care. But the A17 Pro chip changes the rules. It features hardware ray tracing. This means light and shadows in video games look exactly like real life. The chip has so much power it can play massive games like Resident Evil 4 and Death Stranding. These are huge games that usually need a PlayStation or an Xbox. To keep everything running perfectly, the box uses MetalFX upscaling. This trick renders the game at a lower resolution to save power, then uses AI to sharpen the picture to full 8K. It looks amazing. And the best part? You do not need to buy a special controller. You can just connect a normal PlayStation or Xbox controller using Bluetooth and start playing immediately. This $99 box will destroy the casual gaming market. Finally, this box is the ultimate brain for your smart home. It controls everything using fast wireless webs called Thread and Matter. The Apple TV keeps your smart lights and locks working perfectly, even if the main internet drops. Apple is launching new indoor security cameras and a facial recognition video doorbell soon. When someone rings your bell, this TV box will scan their face and pop their name right on your television screen. Apple also fixed the most annoying problem in the world, losing the remote. The new Siri remote is rumored to have a U2 chip for precision finding. If it slides into the couch, your iPhone will show an arrow pointing exactly to where it is hiding. It is brilliant. So the 2026 Apple TV 8K arrives in the spring, likely around March or April. With a starting price of $99, it is the best deal in tech. Do not buy anything else right now. Wait for this upgrade. Thanks for watching. Hit that subscribe button, and I will see you in the next one.